My lips are on fire right now. Hey, we're Tiny Moving Parts and you're watching our Hot Wing Roulette on the Noise.
One of the songs is called Common Cold, and we had our friend Connor from the band Foxing sing on it, and that was kind of cool because we've never really done, you know, other people joining in to like, you know, try on any of our songs, and that was kind of a cool experience, and we're just really satisfied how that one turned out.
Ranch. This one's not too bad.
Might need some more napkins in a bit. I don't think it's mango habanero because that's way hotter.
Yeah, I can't tell.
Asian zing maybe? Awesome. 1 for 1. Skydiving, I'd say. That was just insane.
That was
We went up in the plane and like once they opened the door and people started jumping out, it was like, what the hell are we doing this? This is insane. Oh.
Yeah. That I was kind of on the fence about, but, but that was after we were shotgunning beers at the monuments all day, so. Honey barbecue, right?
Honey barbecue?
Yeah, this one's good. Going to the lake in the summer is always really fun. There's like lakes everywhere, so.
10,000 of them.
Yeah. Rumor has it 10,000 lakes. Actually, this one's really hot. Wild?
Yeah, is it wild?
Blazing.
I guess, yeah, we just work hard, but it doesn't feel like work because it's a lot of fun. Those mango habanero?
My mouth's on fire.
Yeah, mine too. Hams?
Cheap boys who like hams. Hams is my personal favorite.
Yeah.
We're not picky drinkers.
Yeah. We kind of just like alcohol in general a lot. I got the mango habanero again. Ooh.
I think I got Asian Zing. I think mine may be Asian Zing. My tongue's kind of like numb from the blazing earlier. Yeah, I got Asian Zing. We went to Guitar Center to get a cymbal for Bill, and it was the most busy I've ever seen a Guitar Center ever, and it was so goddamn annoying. There was like, everyone was playing every instrument in there, and I was ready to scream and freak out. That was the noisiest thing I've ever been. I was irritated so badly.
Was it blazing?
I got blazing. I got honey barbecue.
It's good milk.
Mm-hmm.